Indio-Annual. That's you? Okay. Ashvi Badalia, Arna Patel, Risha Mehbubani, Rihanna Patel, and Neftali Federico. Mrs. Purvasha Banerjee. Awesome job. And did you notice that they didn't use the colors?
Yeah.
Right? Such obedient kids, huh? Awesome. The president has an announcement to make.
We'd like to introduce our special guest, Ms. Heidi Kasama. She is running for County Commissioner. We appreciate you joining us today. Thank you for coming.
So I think we are going to love this dance. And please come into the stage. Let me introduce the participants. So they are going to celebrate the victory of cricket tournament with a dance. Right? So the participants are Akila Shesh, Geeta Verma, Sandhya Nathan, Dipesh Rai, and Santrupti Margar. And again, they are students of Arpan Dance Academy, and the dance has been choreographed and directed by Santrupti Margar. Great job by the dancers. So, are you hungry? Anybody hungry? Okay, only one person is hungry. So the rest of you stay here. Only one person is hungry. So the lunch is waiting there. So I'm going to say ready, set, go. Okay? Ready, set, go. Okay? You have to run, but make sure you don't push anybody. Ready, set,